What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today on the agenda we have the overall stock market news and headlines, and then we're going to cover the market technical analysis. We'll jump into the Tesla battery day, then we'll quickly talk about Crowdstrike, and then last but not least we'll cover the Apple stock analysis. So let's jump right into it. Starting off in the market analysis and news, we have the CDC who recently posted that CV can be spread beyond the 6 feet distance, as well as JP Morgan and other banks have moved more than $2 trillion over a period of 20 years, and the stock is down pre-market. As well as the TikTok deal, which isn't approved yet. Oracle will accelerate its cloud computing platform, and Walmart will gather data from the app to identify shopping trends for inventory management, as well as push out promotional items. And last but not least, Trevor Milton has finally stepped down as CEO from Nikola. So let's go over the overall market analysis quickly. So SPY is currently down 1.1% through the day. And as you guys can tell from this channel, it is a downtrending channel and it is bouncing up and down for the past several days. From here, today it bounced off the low support line from the channel and it has finally hit the resistance line in this channel. If this channel breaks and if SPY continues upwards, then it will trend up starting tomorrow. If not, we might see more sell-off tomorrow. And something similar is going on with QQQ, which follows the NASDAQ. QQQ is actually up 0.24% today. And as you guys can tell from this channel, it did break out after hours. And it seems like there is going to be a little bit of uptrend. There's one particular stock that kind of contributes to this uptrend. And we'll go over that stock. So let's start off with Tesla. So Tesla's battery day is tomorrow, and a lot of people are speculating and they don't know what to expect. Are we going to see a gap up tomorrow or a gap down, depending on how the news comes out? A lot of investors are antsy at the moment, and this is probably one of the most searched item on Google today, I'm pretty sure, based on the stock market. So based on predictions, my personal prediction is that Tesla will gap down, and we can see that after hours based on a tweet that Elon posted saying that, important note about Tesla battery day unveil tomorrow, this affects long-term production, especially semi, Cybertruck, Roadster, but what we announced will not reach serious high volume production until 2022. We intend to increase, not reduce, battery cell purchases from Panasonic, LG, CATL, possibly other partners too. However, even with our cell suppliers going at maximum speed, we still foresee significant shortages in 2022 and beyond unless we also take actions themselves. So guys, this isn't a good news for Tesla. This does not look good for Tesla, because now this will push out their other products that are in the pipeline. Just like you saw that Elon mentioned that Cybertruck, the Roadster, all these products will be pushed out to 2022 because the cells are not ready yet. Elon Musk confirms that Tesla high volume battery cell production won't start until 2022, which will affect Cybertruck, Semi, and Roadster. So I feel like Elon maybe have gotten the bad news out of the way pre-market or after hours, and tomorrow he might come out with some really good news which will maybe push the stock up. Based on the charts, as you guys can tell, Tesla is down after hours, and you kind of do see a little bit of a double top here, but I don't think that this double top will actually form based on Tesla just being a catalyst right now with the battery day. So I don't see this double top actually forming. I think we are going to see a little bit of push up tomorrow pre-market and after hours based on the battery day. So I feel like there is some good news that Elon will give us tomorrow. So next up we have Crowdstrike. So guys, I did mention Crowdstrike in our Discord channel and I called it out. But if you guys are not aware, Crowdstrike was founded in 2011 to fix fundamental problems. They are sophisticated attacks that are forcing the world's leading businesses into the headlines could not be solved with existing malware-based defense. So they basically are a cybersecurity company, and during their earnings, they did report positive, but they did see a little bit of decline in their stock. As you guys can tell from the charts, they did report 0.03 when expected were negative 1.18, and it did take a pretty big dip after that. But it has been slowly climbing up, and today, pre-market, I did call this out in my Discord. If you guys haven't joined, the link's in the description. Make sure you guys join. It's completely free. And during the market today, it did definitely bump up and it did push up. I definitely see Crowdstrike going back to its previous highs at 158. I'm currently not holding it for too long based on the volatility of the market. So I am kind of day 2 swing trading this stock at the moment. So definitely keep an eye out on Crowdstrike. Next up, we have Apple. So Apple definitely has taken a huge hit after the split, and I've been talking about Apple for a while now. Based on the charts, as you guys can see, it was downtrending for the past several days after the stock split. But there is some good news, I feel like, for Apple that will come out soon, especially their iPad Air 4th generation that will come out in October. And lots of buyers and consumers are looking forward for this iPad, especially myself, and waiting for this iPad because it's the most affordable one they had with very strong spec sheet. And I feel like sales will shoot up in Q3 for Apple, especially their iPhone 12 that is going to be revealed in the next several weeks. So Apple definitely did take a pretty big hit after the split. And today, during the market, it's up about 3%, but I feel like Apple will return back to its highs at 138. I am currently in Apple. I have been averaging down. I got in before the split, and as you guys can tell, after the split, it did take a pretty big dip, and it's bouncing off this red line right here, as you guys can see. Today, it hit a lows of about 103, so I did buy a couple more just to average down on my position. Currently, I am a little down. My average price is around 115, so I am down about 5 to 6%, and hopefully in the next few days, Apple will go back to where it was before on its previous highs. That is one of the reasons why NASDAQ was up, because Apple is one of the contributors for NASDAQ. So definitely keep an eye on Apple. And if you guys haven't already, do some research on them and the products that are going to be coming out in the next couple of months. That's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I post daily stock market news analysis. And if you guys like the video, you'll love the custom playlist that I have made for the most popular stocks and company analysis. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.